How to become a cybersecurity engineer. In this talk, we'll cover the essential steps and knowledge required to pursue this rewarding career. First, let's define what a cybersecurity engineer is. A cybersecurity engineer is a professional who designs, builds, and maintains secure computer systems, networks, and communication systems. They work to prevent, detect, and respond to cyber attacks, ensuring the protection of sensitive information and the continuity of critical operations. To become a cybersecurity engineer, you will need a strong foundation in computer science, IT management, and cybersecurity. Key subjects you may want to focus on include computer systems, computer networks, programming languages, risk assessment, and cryptography. 1. Pursue a degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. 2. Take courses in programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++, as well as networking and communication protocols. 3. Gain knowledge in operating systems, computer systems, and database management. 4. Study cybersecurity concepts such as network security, cryptography, and risk assessment. 5. Attend cybersecurity conferences, workshops, and training programs to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices. 6. Gain hands-on experience through internships, part-time jobs, or summer projects in cybersecurity companies or organizations. 7. Network with industry professionals and attend job fairs to find a suitable employer that matches your skills and interests. Remember, the path to becoming a cybersecurity engineer is a constantly evolving field. Continuously develop your knowledge and skills, and stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the cybersecurity industry. With dedication, hard work, and a passion for protecting networks and information, you can succeed in this challenging and rewarding career.